Hello, this is Edward, and I'm back with two more Creator Downtown Noodle shops. I'm going to be making the Brick Artisan bike shop set, arcade and repair shop. I don't have a base plate, so I'm just going to build it on the default pieces, but I'll be switching it to a base plate to place it in my city. But I will be back after I finish building it. So here I have the first floor of the bike shop complete. You can see this is the inside of the bike shop here. Actually, I need to turn this in there. And then I believe this is a newspaper stand over here. So this shop is selling newspapers out this window here. And then we have a TV or something here. I'm not sure what that's supposed to represent. On this side, we have all the bike equipment to fix the bikes. And then back here we have the staircase with arrows pointing up to the arcade. There's a door back here. And it's using this technique to save on the bricks since we don't have too many bricks on this set. I think this is great because the interior looks like it's almost supposed to be that way. And on the exterior, this wall is going to connect to another modular building, so you won't see those on either side, and it allows us to make this set much bigger. Overall, looking great so far. My only complaint was adding those paint buckets there. I had to add them in after I put the bricks sticking out there, and it was pretty hard to put in place. Along with this ladder, I tried to add this ladder in after, and I ended up knocking over this wall and having to redo that. But overall, I think this is looking real great for a modular version of the bike shop. Oh, I'm gonna do the second floor and then put it all together. Oh, as you can see here, I placed the first level of the bike shop in my little city here. I made a construction site zone as we still need to make the second floor, but overall this fits really great. I'll need to get a base plate to make the sidewalk and make it match in, but overall looking real good. So this is the completed second floor of the bike shop and arcade. You can see this is the arcade here. We have register, a claw machine game, another arcade game there, and then a bike looking game, and a ladder to upstairs. And then this is the entrance where the steps lead up to the top. Oh, I will be putting the roof together and then putting this all together and seeing what it looks like on the street. So I've just finished the second floor and this looks amazing. And there's almost no pieces left over, which I'm really happy with. And we've created this little food vendor guy that's a little more advanced than the one that comes with the default set. So to take a look at the roof, there's a garden with some birds here. This looks great. There's a little hangout spot as well and a door from the arcade. So from the arcade, there's a little ladder here. And this MOC is really impressive. I'm shocked at how little pieces were left over. I'm gonna go place this in the city and see how it looks. So I've just placed this in the city. I think this looks amazing down the street. I did have to move the bird to the back as it didn't fit on the side there. And I also took off these pieces that were originally up here on both sides because they hit the side of the building. And I will be tiling the sidewalk and then making another update. But overall, this came out super great. I'm just gonna move the crane here. Oh, this is my new corner with two. This is 4 of the noodle shops total, 2 for the arcade and bike shop, and then 2 for this noodle shop corner area. I think these were a great addition to the city.